All right, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, no, still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting to be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. Well, my brother, my sister, right now, some people don't they come outside, they don't they talk, say, shebu now be the people we be say now starting to the kidnap up and down. My brother, my sister, all these Fulani people, then they joke, them funny, now we they come outside we they talk about how Yoruba nation go they actualizing and how we need to come out for this country because we don't try our best. We see all these Fulani people them not ready to leave our people alone. We don't say all these Fulani people they're not ready to say okay they don't yet make them forget how to they kidnap us. Instead, maybe say these people then go agree, say okay, we need to free ourselves, make everybody go in separate ways. The reverse has been the case. The reason why the Yoruba Nation movement don't come outside, we be say we they talk, say we need to go our separate ways. Now simply because all these Fulani people, the plan we then get for Yoruba people now to destroy and take over their land, of which we no go fit open our eyes make a talubo can enter le laju ale ki talubo ko wa ko wo, you understand? So now all this thing wey be say we dey talk wey everybody dey try to say okay at the end of it all this treaty wey be say don complete 100 years since 2014. Now about 10 years don still add. We gonna look and say well in our right to even go our separate ways. And I know so this another Nancy, all this Fulani people then come outside, they say lie, we must stay together. I don't understand whether not trouble, whether not by force to stay together. I don't know. To the extent this man where on the same picture, so he just come outside though. In name na Sunny, according to the name way they say in the beer. He say, well, according to Ram, he said kidnapping did not start from the north but started from the south, and it didn't start from Tinubu's regime. Now the year waiting this man they talk, they talk say all this one will be say then they kidnap people since say now for south if for start say meaning all the northerners they don't know about kidnapping. Now many people can't come outside say the first person we first kidnap, we be say he start this kidnapping now on a brother we then they call the Buhari. Say na Buhari na him first start time. In fact, my brother, my sister, I go read the waiting this man they talk about. Now, maybe we they talk say all this our Yoruba monarchs make them try, make them they support us. No matter what, no matter the bad thing we be say this Fulani people then go do, their elder go see come outside, they say lie, no be them say nah we. That is what we are trying to say now. Then go always they support their own, even if their own they use their own brother head, they drink water, they go see talk say their own no get the issue. And now they see the lesson now. Now, if una check well, the before President the Muhammad Buhari on his own part, anytime we say una catch the Fulani people, go say me then release them, say then go repent. Shebi you see we don't they talk this thing, but una no go here. All our own Yoruba people, our monarchs, our elders, our governors, now they even deal with the Yoruba man if it Fulani people even catch them. We don't see many situations, many occasions where we say the Yoruba man we get farm go report to Fulani for your own land. You go report to Fulani people to our Yoruba police. The police go still detain our own Yoruba man. You see what thing we they talk about. All these things done they go on. I make them be say the hardship come strong now. Now we dey there, now we dey rule yet. Now it can't dey worse for us. And I know say that time we be say everything they had for us for the southwest, for the north. When Buhari be president for the north, he make everything dey easy for them. But for our own side, it's always the reverse. It's always be the case. Now, according to what this man talk. In fact, I dey come back to the other one. This man, they say kidnapping did not start from the north but from the south. You can imagine. And according to him, he can't say e did not even start from Tinubu, so e don dey since e dey hear e don dey since say na the Yoruba people and the other southerner people say na dem start all this thing. Well, make I read the full story make una hear wetin this man dey talk. According to the news, e say former Arewa Consultative Forum leader, you see am, na dem all this the Fulani Arewa people. Former Arewa Consultative Forum leader Anthony Sani claimed that abduction originated in the south rather than the north. According to him, he said this problem has existed for a long time. It was present even before President Tinubu took office, which was less than a year ago. You can imagine. More than 1,000 youngsters have reportedly been victims of this crime in the last 10 years, according to reports from the past 10 years. According to what Anthony Sonny said in the report by the Sun News, he said kidnapping did not start from the north but was exported from the south. It did not start with the regime of President Tinubu, whose regime is less than 1 year old. It has been reported that over 1,000 children have been kidnapped in the last 10 years. And so, while Ohaneze attempts to link the recent kidnapping of 137 children in Kuriga to northern plans to discredit President Bola Tinubu, may be understood. It is not accepted. In fact, it is not acceptable for lack of sense and wisdom. Now, wetin this man they talk about now be say this issue of kidnapping, say no be them even start am. But now people can't come outside. They let this man they know. So okay, fine. You they talk say well, no be on a starter, but now the thing don't continue. So how you want make the thing come big? You want make this thing continue like that? Many people don't cause this man, no. And then some people now come outside. People will be say they sabi waiting the sup. All right. So somebody come talk say kidnapping started by a northerner called General Muhammadu Buhari in 1984 when he kidnapped Umaru Diko in London. Okay, you dey see am, somebody don't clear am now. Well, most old age people are not worthy of respect. Okay, now so somebody they talk say this man say because you hold no mean say you get sense. Say they not supposed to respect this kind of people. Yeah, so according to wetin the people come they talk, some people talk like say in fact man no call the name where they call that person, the name no good at all. Where they play, so where does the Fulani kidnappers came from? Okay, so they were from southwest Abi. When did we begin to have Fulani Yoruba? So I don't know how we people take issue at times. Okay, now the thing now where they on ground now be say all these people Fulani people as then they so they no go ever agree to bring their own people down. Now they go now here they go. They no go ever agree to bring their own people down, even if their own people then they buy themselves for their family. They go sit come tell the Yoruba man say na lie you, our people say na mistake then do, say they don't repent now, they no go do them again. All of us see wetin happen during the regime of the former President Buhari. Upon all the things wey be say these people do, all the atrocities wey dem commit, you see they tell everybody say like this so say they don't repent. You see carry them go rehabilitation center to go train them. At the end of the day, they get plan to recruit them inside the Nigerian military. All of us see how the many soldiers they buy for inside the helicopter. Now all these people now they see they run them. My brother, my sister, no be small something. Many things don't stop for this our obodo. That is why I always they tell our Yoruba people say like this, make una try on our best. Make una they support on our own, because the Fulani man go live in own brother can't say make you there. That is why we always they laugh for at these people where they talk about restructuring. The Awusa of Fulani man rather no go come outside can't say he won't allow una make una restructure anything. Then still they talk till tomorrow say they want make sure say everywhere turn to Muslim country. You see am. say everywhere turn to Muslim country. Now as e be so, make everybody make them shine their eyes, so because these people they know they take am easy with una at all, and they no ready. See wetin that other man they talk, say come 2027 they no go allow our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to continue as a president. Say dem go carry in vice, make them put for there as the president. So they talk, say they regret. My brother, my sister, many things today wey be say e dey happen wey some people, most especially our leaders, our elders for Yoruba land, they know they put am for consideration. They know they think am na the one wey they go chop now, na him they know. Many things wey be say all these elders of the Fulani people they talk, say like this, so they go make sure say dem comot our president, our own Yoruba man from there, make them put their own waiting, then they find, simply because they want make sure say they scatter everything, then dabaru everything. Now all our farmers don't come outside, they don't they cry, say make Chief Sunday Igboho help them. The only name wey they feel remember na Chief Sunday Igboho name. Shebi they see am because they see them believe say na only person wey dey genuine be that, wey loving people, wey understand wetin Yoruba race stand for. No be all those ones wey be say if they don't see small money they don't change their mind. Baba God, na your hand with deal. Now the lesson inside this one be say make it our leaders, our Yoruba leaders, try their best, make them support the Yoruba people. I don't know why the Yoruba people then be like this. Any small thing when they don't see money, then go down, they carry the way, then go forget it, their generation to come. Why it be like that? Fulani man no go ever try that. No matter what, then go see the back of their people. And if we as a Yoruba people continue like this, if we continue like this to they say we no go trust ourselves, we go they divert, my brother, my sister, it go dey easy for this Fulani people to take over. That is why you go see then they buy many Yoruba people up and down. You see they buy Yoruba people up and down. Nobody they talk anything, simply because we the Yoruba people, we know they cooperate with many things where we dey even the year say na even Yoruba people na even lead all these Fulani people to come attack Yoruba. All those things they still dey grant. Why we be like this? Baba God, na your hand with deal. Now my brother, my sister, I think everybody now need to wake up. Everybody need to wake up. I don't know waiting we go do again, but the truth of the matter is, if na the right thing you dey do, continue to dey do good. One day God go come to our rescue. And then so it come be unto this one where I say make a carry come for now unto this level until I come on our way next time. If this one are your first time, we'll be say you dey join us, my brother, my sister, make you try, make you subscribe, make you like, make you share, make you for go viral as it dey hot. No let and colo bo shengbo. Alright, until I come your way next time, my brother, my sister, I say on a bye for now.